So this is our Magic Whiteboard, best-selling portable whiteboard on a roll that over 2,000 schools in the UK use and internationally now. We export to 23 countries. So Magic Whiteboard clings using static to any hard flat surface, so a wall, a window, a door. You write on it with any dry white marker. You can erase it, leaves no marks on your fingers, and plain paper actually sticks to it. So you can then fold it and take it away to reuse later. It's reusable about 30 times.